Hello all of you, welcome back to my channel. All of you have a wonderful day. So this is the second part of the series Being Healthy. I'm going to tell you about protein. Protein is a macronutrient which is very well needed by our body. It helps to regulate the appetite, the food intake and the many metabolisms of the body. Let's dive into the scientific way why protein is essential for our body. Stop. So, for the scientific proof, research has shown that intake of protein is related to reducing the aging, and it was also shown by International Recommended Dietary Allowance that we should take at least 0.8 grams of protein per kg of body weight regardless of the age. And Victoria government showed that you need to have enough of the protein by the animal products, soy products, quinoa, plant proteins, etc. Some other protein sources we should have is lean meats, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, dairy products, nuts and all. And food products as source of protein, they're also shown to have various metabolic and physiological functions, and which are also leading to the regulation of appetite, food intake, body weight, body composition, etc. and all of that. And it is also shown that many of the food have containing the protein are shown like in these categories. And here, this is the composition of branch chain amino acid, which are shown by these product. So we have other important essential amino acids composition in the food products here, and it is a research shown, and the other amino acids which are important are shown here in our research. And we also have a data which shows that the vegetarian diet is having a reduced protein intake, which means a protein deficit, and it also leads to dermatological and trachological conditions, and which leads to acne, hirsutism, TE, AGA, melasma, etc. And we have another a research article by Journal of Sports Science and Medicine, which shows that the protein quality rankings in the non-vegetarian, beef comes at the highest because it has the highest protein efficiency ratio, how efficient the protein is, the biological value, how important it is for our biology, net protein utilization, how fastly it is utilized, protein digestibility corrected amino acid score, which means the content of amino acid in it. So beef comes at the highest of all and efficient of all in the case of the non-vegetarian protein sources, and egg also come at the highest. And the whey protein, it comes in the vegetarian sources, it comes at the first rank, and after that we have the eggs in all of the reference value, and the soy and the peanuts. These are some of the protein sources you can take, which will also help you to have a better healthy being. So this was all the scientific research. You can also read all these research. I will give them in description. So So what we got out of it? We got that protein is a main component which regulates hair and skin disorders. If you have enough protein in your diet, you can have good skin, good hair, and it helps in many things like it stops edema. If you have a protein deficit diet, you will have edema, and if you have less protein in your diet, you will have slow growth and many disorders like anemia, muscle wastage and all. So we should follow the recommended international guidelines by RDA, recommended dietary allowance, which says we should consume at least 0.8 gram protein per kg of body weight, which is approximately 56 grams for male and 46 grams for a female. And most probably For the sources, we should opt, if you're a non-vegetarian, you should opt for egg or meat, as these are really a good source of protein as I suggested by the research. And if you are a vegetarian, you should probably go for soy or milk, as those proteins are best for your body. You can consume them anytime you want, at least one meal a day. I hope this video helps you in defining protein and clearing all the doubts about the protein and how to consume them and what are their role. If you like the video, please share it, like it, subscribe to my channel. I will bring more videos like this again and again. So thank